Affiliate marketing without a website is possible, but it requires alternative strategies. Here's a concise guide. Social media promotion. Leverage popular social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Share affiliate links in your posts, utilizing engaging content and captions to encourage click-throughs. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters or promotional emails containing your affiliate links. Ensure compliance with email marketing regulations and offer valuable content to your subscribers. YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel to review products or demonstrate their usage. Include your affiliate links in the video descriptions. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Participate in forums and communities. Join relevant online forums or communities where your target audience discusses products. Share your affiliate links when relevant and provide helpful information. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for blogs that accept contributions related to your niche. Include your affiliate links within the content or author bio. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche who have websites. They can include your affiliate links in their content, and you can share the generated revenue.